How do I download Tubi on my TV?
Hello, and welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to download and install the Tubi TV app on your television. Tubi is a free, legal streaming service where you can watch thousands of movies and TV shows. Let's get started.
Is your TV compatible with Tubi?
First things first, you need to check if your TV is compatible with Tubi. Tubi is available on many smart TVs and streaming devices, including Samsung Smart TVs, Roku, Apple TV, Amazon Fire TV, and others. Check the make and model of your TV or your streaming device to ensure it supports Tubi.
Navigating to your TV's App Store.
Once you've confirmed that your device is compatible, navigate to your TV's App Store. This is usually found on the home screen or within the main menu of your TV interface. The name of the App Store varies by device. It might be called App Store on Apple TV, Google Play Store on Android TV, Roku Channel Store on Roku devices, or Samsung Apps on Samsung Smart TVs, to name a few.
Searching for Tubi in the App Store.
In your TV's App Store, use the search function to find the Tubi app. You can typically find the search bar at the top of the screen or within a magnifying glass icon. Type in Tubi, and then select it from the search results that appear.
Downloading and installing Tubi.
After finding Tubi in the search results, select the app. You'll see a screen that provides information about the app. Look for the Download, Install, or Add button and click on it. The app should then download and install onto your TV or streaming device.
Opening and using Tubi.
After the app is downloaded and installed, open Tubi by clicking on its icon from your TV's home screen or app list. The first time you open it, Tubi will typically guide you through the process of setting up an account or signing in. If you don't already have a Tubi account, you'll need to create one to access its content. After you've signed in, you're all set to start streaming your favorite shows and movies on Tubi. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Tubi on your TV. We hope this guide has been helpful. Enjoy the endless hours of free streaming on Tubi.